also okay coordinate ngade I can ni edo di tino chaweda ta sa le nu laweda miss Knyawmu tapre ti pha le tapre kati kho pwa ni uti da the to wu ni lo tapre we ni pama weda tapu kho do shiron tapre pha do la mi da phle thu tapre okusiko da fashion show do okusiko weda rapper concert ni lo do lo so da miss Knyawmu ni tapre we ka sa tho weda le la July nui so le mi da tanui nya I mu pho pha Friday ni lo ko ni ta sa la o weda le stay ga ti pha mi ri do o le we ga ti pha mi ti ka tu weda le shiron South Dakota ba sa ba ka to ni ki do ta pro to blo nya we ni pa ka te ka to ta mi ta kle du le ta to so ko mo pu pa di o tho weda do ta lo tu lo ka o weda ama ko ta ni no ti ka kwa ka pa weda ta si ba sa pa mi ta sa tho ma ta no ta mi do ta ni ma ta ke tho ba pa mi ma do no ta lo tu lo ka mi o da le ni ta ke tho lu tho do pi hi ni weda ta kwa lu do pa ma ri tho da si nya kwi ti ni lo do so ko te de we le ta pro to blo nya ni no ye edo pa pha tho da pwa le sponsor weda no he weda kho pha ti pha le ta pro we ke tho lu tho weda go ni lo no do pwe la sponsor weda ta pro we I no le kho pha te ni mi da K Beauty Brows LSC ni lo no K Beauty Brows LSC do we ni mi da pdi mu la o weda le St. Paul Minnesota de we ko ni ti ke support se ko weda we business le ti mi edo check la ti ri tho ti me tu de we ni no ti ke support weda o do we sponsor weda kho pha te do kho pha ki pa la sponsor ta ni mi da Knyawmu auto repair le o weda le shiron South Dakota de we no we sponsor che weda kho pha ki ko ni pa la o le shiron South Dakota ti ba no ti ka mi ha wo ni ti ke le weda le Knyawmu auto repair ni lo do pwe la sponsor weda kho pha te ni no mi weda 2+1 la auto weda sai la mi weda barber store la o weda le St. Paul Minnesota ko ni no do pwe la o le St. Paul Minnesota no le hi ba se ko weda do pwe 2+1 no awe sponsor weda kho pha te do pa la sponsor weda kho pha lo cho de we ni mi weda no pano mu du la o weda le Marshall Minnesota we auto weda sai pha do la mi da grocery do ta o no do sai mi da Tonkel and Deli no o weda le Marshall Minnesota le o we pay ni lo ko ni sibli ba weda ti we lu ga le do ti hi pu ko pu do we no le ti ma se weda do du ke tho lu tho weda ta pro to blo nyai ni lo do ke de we ni ye edo ma lo do di ti no thwa da ta sa le ke he weda ta pro ti pha no he ti weda le shiron South Dakota pu ba sa ba ka to ti ki pa ka sa tho weda rehearsal no ta cho lo ta le ta si kinari no la July nui to Friday ta si kinari le a mi da nu no ma cha kha ta si kinari ti ke he weda le ta lo ta kle la mi da 104th Street Southwest Chiron South Dakota Penny ni lo do mi weda ta lo ta kle tu ko le ta ma weda ta pro lo ni lo ko ni do pwe mo pa le ke he weda ta pro ti pha do ta sa phu ta khwa ti pha le ke kwa mu kno du ta ri ti pha ma no ma kha weda ta lo ta kle we I 104th Street Southwest Chiron South Dakota ni lo do ta sa le he ta pro ti pha no he so weda tu sika la mi ta pro ko ni the su ni Knyawmu no current traditional or modernized outfits no chika Knyawmu do we so the he so siko weda chika la mi da community no evening gown no party the ke weda di to evening gown cha ni mo no the so siko weda ni lo do ye shalo pa weda ti ta ti kwa phle si la ti ka te ka to ta go no do ta ti kwa phle si ni pa ti kwa da che ki phle go lo no pa ta ga ni the ki phle go lo pa ta sa ni lo ta pra ga ki si ble no ko ni pa ti kwa a phle ni no mu ka wa lo ko ni pa ti kwa da ta ga ni ki phle lo do ta sa la ni lo ta pra ti pha pa na pa tu no we ni ta no ni ti ha u phle to phe ta no ni ti ha do to phe ko ni no ti si sa la Knyawmu club le sho mi te ti do ti si sa da la ka lo wa klo ti si ko we da ni lo do ta le sinyo ko kwa we da ti pha ni mi we da ti ta le tho ki lo do ti ta we ni check ri ta no post no mi wi ni ti me ta pa me pa na do ti sa we da ta ti kwa ri ga mi wi ni ti ta tu du sa du no ti confidence no pa kwa da ta ti pha ni do pe he we da kho pha ni first runner up second runner up the Miss Prize mi no do pe he khu se ko he could see got a special price let me dollar no put any to me papato that the dollar do quite up la papato dollar the pado he see got a copa penny ni the canilo no dollar ni kika do tasi said that tatikwa loss honey the plur no the ka kuni no to me the edo papato dollar do to me edo papate ni lo tell la miss canyoni this no put any le dollar can voluntary no sitani to me do papato tit papato tini lo do the have that tapret blonya ni but as how that ticket no do patano ni but miss her ticket ni that they are own the ma ochi java no no bam ni kule no kamata mimi the bangata lota clean banga with that dita uta pota lo look simono basa do blonya ni no but chawa that ticket ba basa to head it part the mita udo heso weda to ma bu no the dollar po ki dollar poแล้วก็มาเซอร์เวดาบาโกบาเคแล้วคือมีฮับลุละกรีนี่ก็เสนี่เนาะก็มีเวดาทับยูทับผูผาดูนี่ล้อเนาะเอาไว้นี่มีดาทำมาอยู่เวดาเอาไว้นี่กว่าแล้วก็เฮตับเรติผาดอลโซดาตาซาเลนี่ล้อเวดาทับเรติผานี่ล้อคนนี้ปกติโลตาเลเพนี่เนาะทับลิกอดีเนาะกันเด้Hello, I am so excited to meet all the Miss Knyawmu contestants. We are just one day away from the competition, and I like to remind all the contestants about the date and time and some of the to-do lists that you all have to prepare yourself for the competition. First, the competition is on July 7 at 8 p.m. The show will start at 8 p.m. The venue is 104th Street, Southwest Huron, South Dakota, and we will do our rehearsal at the same location at noon, July 7 at 12 p.m. to be exact. Make sure you arrive on time. We have more than 20 contestants, and we would like to make sure everyone get their chance to practice and know the drill before we start the show. Bring two sets of outfits. One is Korean dress and one is evening gown. So the Korean dress can be traditional or modernized. You can choose whichever one you like. For the evening gowns, I encourage you guys to be creative with your sense of fashion. However, not to be too provocative. I am very open-minded and I wouldn't care much. However, a lot of people will be watching us, and as our community is conservative, we don't want to cause any drama. So I sent out 10 questions to everyone a few weeks in advance. So I'm sure you guys already prepare yourself for your answers. We're not going to ask 10 questions to everyone. We will ask only 2 questions at least to each contestant. You can choose to answer in English if you're not fluent in Korean language. The judging criteria will be your pose, your walk, your facial expression, your answers, and your confidence body languages. Besides the first runner-up, second runner-up, and Miss prizes, we also have some special talents prizes. Those are voluntary and you may choose to participate or not participate. Anyone who hasn't paid register fee can bring cash during the rehearsal. So this show is all about encouraging our young ladies like you all to showcase your beauty, your talents, empowers you all to be role model in our community. We have a lot of imperfection and inadequacy during our organizing this event. However, let's not stress about those. Let's just come together and have some fun together. This show, you don't have to purchase tickets. However, any of the participants or the audience, if you guys are willing to bring $1 or $2 donation to donate to Korean displaced refugee in Thai-Myanmar border, we will be really appreciate that. See you guys soon. If you have any question, please write it in the comment section and I will respond to your question as soon as possible. See you all